actually my third day here. Hi, hi, hi. Ang dami nyo ngayon. I'm so happy. So, in preparation for my first song, actually, I need audience participation for this. So, I wanna prepare you sa mga gagawin natin. So, yung title ng song that I'm gonna sing first is Oshinamaho. Sinong may alam ng song? Oshinamaho! Wala. Sige, turo ko na lang sa inyo. Maririnig nyo rin naman. So, Oshinamaho means the power of your Oshi or the power of idol. So, when I say, love chuchu, kawaiku. That's when I say, Oshinamaho kurae, you will say, labu labu. Labu labu. Yan. Sige, try natin. 1, 2, 3. Love chuchu, kawaiku, Oshinamaho kurae. Yeah, ang galing. Okay. So, the rest of the chants will be flashed naman sa screen. Basahin nyo na lang as you go. Parang kunyari karaoke. So, yes, I hope you guys sing along with me. Love chuchu, kawaiku, Oshinamaho kurae. Love chuchu, azatoku, idol damo. Urya ai, Yashikso! Taiga, fire, saiba, daiba, ja. Goshi no suki no tokoro oshiete, kawaii toko azatoi tonko, homeraretai shou ni yokyuu, konna boku suki, ore no suki no tokoro oshiete, yasashii toko pure na toko, mederaretai shou ni yokyuu, kore no boku. どんな願い全部聞いて忘れないで生まれてきたことに感謝しなさい Love chuchu かわいくOshinamahoくらえ Love chuchu あざとくアイドルだもん好きになった恋しちゃった大丈夫よ思いたくて沼っちゃって抜け出せやしないメビースのはうるやあいもういくぞバラヒシゾセアマシゾ恋したパーチと級優勝てっぺん目指す回復魔法よろしく強い俺ゴールをお城でウェディングチーム名誉も手にするお姫様どうぞよろしく強い俺どんな願い全部聞いて見捨てないで生まれてきたことに感謝しなさい Love chuchu 意地悪推しの呪いくらえ Love chuchu 許してアイドルだもん好きになった恋しちゃった大丈夫よ思いたくて沼っちゃって抜け出せやしないメビースのは言いたいことがあるんだよやっぱり目立ちが可愛いよ好き大好きやっぱ好きあーLove chuchu かわいくOshinamahoくらえ Love chuchu あざとくアイドルだもん好きになった恋しちゃった大丈夫よ思いたくて沼っちゃって抜け出せやしないメビースのはang dami nyo energy. Pahingi. Thank you, guys. O, sa inyo naman dyan. Okay. I will just like to catch my breath a little bit. So, sino nag-enjoy sa song na yun? Water daw. Sige. I will drink water. Sinong familiar sa song nung narinig nila? Familiar daw sila doon. Tama ba, Rika? Yay! Rika-chan! I found my other Maho Shoujo. So, yun. I will drink water. Okay. So, itong next song ko is one of the songs na it's one of the songs from the anime na one of the longest running anime as of now. Sinong may alam? Sinong alam ko marami silang longest running. Pero, ay, ano yan? One Piece! Ayun. So, hindi ko alam if familiar kayo kasi sa movie to. Sino dito fan ni Ado? Yay! Ayun. I'm gonna be singing one of Uta's songs. Nakita ko actually si Uta doon kanina sa registration na tuwa picture ko sa kanya. Uta-chan! I hope you're listening! I hope I do you justice. Okay. Let's go. Gamarimasu! さあ怖くはない不安はない私の夢はみんなの願い歌えば心晴れる大丈夫よ私は最高私の声が小鳥を探へ運ぶ旅だ服も踊り込みたいでさあなたの声が私の奮い立たせこれが刺さってしまったならほらおいで見たことない新しい景色絶対に見れるのなぜならば生きてるんだ今日もさあ握る手と手光の方へみんなの夢は私を幸せきっとどこにもないあなたしか持ってないそのぬくもりで私は最高握る手と手光の方へいつかの夢は私の願いきっとどこにもないあなたしか持ってないその良さが照らすのい愛のし忘れの誓いいつかの夢は私の心臓何度でも言うわ私は最高あなたと最高私は最高
What a vocal range! Grabe, galing-galing talaga.
Thank you! My dream come true. Waifu Fest is like, a dream maker. Parang they grant your wildest dreams. Pinapangarap ko lang dating kantahin to and being solo and singing all of the songs na kinakanta ko ngayon. And it's finally here. Thank you so much, Waifu Fest, for having me. I'm so happy. Urashine! Yan. So, parang hindi ako napagod doon. Yung next song ko actually is an impromptu song that I decided to add to my set list. Kasi may nakita ko naka-Project Sekai na cosplay. Hello! Hello, Miko-chan! Hello! Hello, Purple. Sorry, hindi ko talaga alam yung name niya. Alam ko lang siya as a purple guy. Basta alam ko, kasama siya sa nandun siya sa group na ano yan. Ano yung group? Yung kumanta ng Tontemo Wonders? What group? Yes, what group? Well, show, Wanda Show! Wanda Show! Yes, hello. Pangarap ko din to do like a cosplay of Wanda Show. So hopefully someday, magawa ko yun with all of you. But my next song, isa yun nga, impromptu ko siyang naisip na i-add sa setlist ko. Originally, 3 songs lang ako dapat today. Pero I added 1 kasi I saw Proseca. And I have a song prepared. So yung next song ka is, Ma Jump Ma! Sino may alam ng Ma Jump Mo? More Jump More? More Jump More? Yes!
Ang dami nila.
Yeah.
So if you know the song, you sing along. You
So,
can also stand up and dance.
This is also another song na kailangan ko ng audience participation. So I'm sure you guys know the chants. I hope you know the chants for this. So when I say motto, takara motto, you shout, motto! So okay, try natin. 1, 2, 3. Dakara motto, chika sukitai karamoto. Yay! Tapos may isa pa. Pag sinabi kong, pag narinig niyo yung nai, gatomera renai, tometako nai, you will sing nai, nai. So, 1, 2, 3. Gatomera renai, tometako nai. Yes, let's go! The rest of the chants will be up here on screen. So yes, semi-karaoke ulit tayo. Hi, kita ko dasay. Mo jump mo! Karamoto, chika sukitai karamoto, koi kikasete, sono tetsukan naga, hanasanai ka, ise no de mata mata jump, hey! 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 Mada saisho wa kiecha sonamoi kara, kizuitara ugoki tashita story. 一人じゃ届きそうもない場所夢じゃないあなたがいるから未来でも世界でも道に満ち足りなくなってもそんなに飛び越えてだからもっと近づきたいからもっと声聞かせて脳とハートのビートが止められない止めたくないもっとしたいからもっと愛をちょうだいその手掴んだら離さないから愛をもっとジャンプ&ジャンプ高く高くもうジャンプ&ジャンプこんなもんじゃないジャンプジャンプもうジャンプジャンプジャンプもうジャンプジャンプジャンプもうジャンプジャンプジャンプもうジャンプI hope na-enjoy nyo yun. So that was a very quick song lang that I added. So, yun, thank you. That was very nakakapagod. I hope you guys enjoyed the energy and stuff. So for my next song, I will actually be just singing for you guys. Kakantahan ko lang kayo kasi the more jump, more drained my pagod. So yun, hopefully, ma-enjoy nyo pa rin yung vocals ko. So while they're preparing my mic stand and my tripods, sino dito ang fan ng VTubers? VTuber? Wow, meron dun sa taas! Hololive! Hololive? Yes! Hololive! Hello! So, kilala niyo ba si Suisei? Let's go! Yun. Okay. Wait, I feel like this is too tall for me. And I'm short. Chotomate ne. Okay. Okay na ba to? Dinig niyo pa ba ako? Yes. Hello, everyone. Oh no, it's falling. Ay na ba? Yan. So, ang kakantahin ko is one of Suisei's songs. I hope you guys know and enjoy it. Enjoyin nyo lang kasi this is more like a vibe song lang siya. Chill song. Sino yung alam yung kanta na Stellar Stellar? Yes, so yon. Stellar is what I will be singing for you guys today. I hope you enjoy this as my last song. I hope mapakalma niya kayo after all those jumping around that I did. So, calm down. Parang cool down tayo. Okay, I think I'm ready. Let's go. Dati 僕は星だから Stella, Stellaきっと君はもう気づいていた僕の心の奥で書いたそれがこれから話すちっぽなモノローグさそっと言えない言葉があった壊せない言葉があったんだずっとさずっと言えない言葉があった壊せない壁感じて部屋進みの溝を抱いて震えていた太陽だっていらないから負けないでいてその手を伸ばして誰かに届くように僕だって君と同じ特別なんかじゃないからそうさ僕は夜をなよステラステラありたきの輝いて今宵音楽はずっとずっと止まないそうだ僕がずっとなったかったのは待ってシンデレラじゃないさ舞台に行こうじさまだだって僕は星だからなんてありふれた橋なんだ理想だけかけ連れたいたノートの隅の眠る本のワンシーンだきっとあの星も鳴るってんだ明日なんて来ないってたその手を伸ばして誰かに届くように本当に大切なものは目に見えないみたいなんだそうさ僕は夜をなよステラステラありのまま考えないで今宵音楽はきっと止まないそうだ僕がずっとなったかったのは待ってシンデレラじゃないさ世界にゴリラだ夢見がちなおとぎ話おとぎ話 listening.
Decide on that.
Thank you, everyone. So, thank you.
Thank
I
you
would
so
like
much, Miss May. Okay, wait lang muna tayo. I'll go there on
Ay,
stage.
okay po. Hello.
From a very high energy na stage, nag-end siya into very dreamy performance na napaka-cute. Naiyak ba kayo doon? Can you give a background of the song that you just sang?
Yung Stellar
Yes, yung
po.
pinaka-last.
It's from Suwisay po, from Hololive. Yes.
May mga fans tayo
Suwisay
doon.
is actually one of the best. If I don't know if like I would say the best, pero one of the greatest singers ng Hololive. Hindi ko alam if totoo yung story, but she was actually scouted rather than she auditioned for it, and she was allowed to like bring in her original character rather than the Hololive giving her the character to portray. So I feel like she's that good in singing. And I really love the way that she sings because I feel like it's kind of close to my style of singing. And then recently, yung first take kasi, yung version that I sang, is like the artist singing it in just one take. Parang no redos. So, na in love ako with the way that she was singing it in the first take. So I was like, oh my gosh, gusto ko rin siyang i-perform. So eto na yan!
Exactly. Kanina share ni May, before it was just a dream for you
Yeah.
to come up on stage and perform, and now it's being realized. Kaya palakpakan naman natin si
Thank
May.
you.
Just look at the effort sa kanyang costume from head to toe. Ikot ka nga, May. Napaka-cute. Diba? So, this level of, what they call this one, enthusiasm or passion in what you're doing, I want you to give a short message to those who are watching live, okay, and those who are watching via our Facebook page, waifu.ph, and yung ating YouTube.
Ayan. If anyone wants to like perform or do this as well, I would like to encourage everyone to do it. Personally, I would say just do it. Nasabi ko na to yesterday, pero just in case there are new ones that are watching today, just do it. Kasi there isn't a best time to do it. The best time is now. But of course, prepare for it accordingly. Of course, kapag when you wanna do something, you wanna do it ng maayos, as perfect as possible. So of course, prepare for it then. So, ayun. Yun po. Tapos I would like to endorse lang din kasi yung More Jump More that I sang, that I added, was a song from Project Sekai, which is kina-cosplay ng cute little kid over there with the glasses and the purple hair. Hello! Tapos natuwa ako. Actually, na-decide ko siya na i-add kasi dinanawing nila ako today.
So
they are
inspired ka
actually,
because someone is in character of
so
that.
they're actually artists. So they drew, the both of them drew me. So one of them's handle is KFC Gravy 3. Don't ask. Hindi kasama yung don't ask. Like, don't ask about the username. Basta it's KFC Gravy 3. And then the other one is FXRK Does Art. So if anyone wants to like check out their art, you can go on their TikTok or like pages and search them up like that.
All right. So, we wish you nothing but the best,
Thank
Mayla
you.
Chica. I hope this is not the first time that you will be stepping on Waifu Fest.
Next year
So,
po ulit.
this is just the first at marami pang mga chances for you to share your talent.
Thank
All right.
you.
So, keep supporting si Mayla Chica. Let's give her a big round of applause.
Thank you, everyone.